interesting. It's focusing. You know how fast the human eye is when it focuses. You know, people think that it's just by chance that people and machines are so much alike. I mean, how they're designed. And people don't believe it. Think it just all came by chance. But yet the human eyeball isn't even as good as like eagle eye. How tiny they are. How fast they can focus. Oh, we got really great modern technology. This is the finest. And still people don't believe in there's a God that designed the human brain and the bird brain and the bird eye and the donkey eye and the donkeys and the dumbasses and the elephants and I don't know, cows, bulls, lions, tigers, all that stuff. Everything you can think of. Oh, just by chance. No, Darwin. We do have a montage of all kinds of shit. We won't have separate things. We won't have differences between. Screw you. Oh, where'd my other piece go? It's probably on the floor. Where that gas tank really turned out nice in this one. Been doing extra care of my lines where they glue together. So you don't see it look like a tank. Solid steel going around that. Two pieces of plastic glued together. Oh. Yeah, I always gotta watch when I roll back because then wheel's always right underneath something. Oh, it didn't come off. Battery box I'm using. Huh. Well, not on that one now anyways. I need to keep debating which one of these I want to finish first, but I started this one last. Last should be first, right? So gotta make a longer hood for a longer engine, you know. For that thing. Oh. I don't know where my kitties are going here. Oh, okay, alright. Yeah, that was a nice little run over there, right? Run down, run over. What do you think of the hood? A little bit better than the last one. All those little dents and just, oh my god, it all got bent up. So, yeah. I think it'll look pretty good.